Understanding the cycle options on an LG WashTower. Congratulations on your new LG WashTower. This intelligent single-unit washer and dryer combo is a customer favorite that is inspiring people to reinvent their laundry space. We will show how to set a cycle and add cycle modifiers and explain what each cycle is best suited for. To select a wash cycle, press the washer power button to turn on the washer control panel. Select a specific cycle by lightly pressing that cycle's icon. Then press any options on the cycle modifier section on the right side of the control panel to add turbo wash, steam, extra rinse, or others. Now press the settings buttons such as temp, spin, or soil if you need to change the water temperature, spin speed, or soil level of the load. Press the Start/Pause button to begin washing. Now let's review the cycle options. Normal should be used to wash all normal items such as cotton, linen, shirts, jeans, or mixed loads, except delicate fabrics such as wool or silk. Bedding is suitable for washing blankets or bulky items which have difficulty absorbing water, such as pillows, blankets, comforters, sheets, or pet bedding. Delicates is for washing dress shirts and blouses, nylons, lingerie, or sheer and lacy clothes which can easily be damaged. The load weight should be less than 8 pounds, or 3.63 kilograms. Heavy duty is for washing heavily soiled laundry, such as cotton fabrics, using more powerful washing motions. Speed wash quickly washes lightly soiled clothing and small loads. For high wash and rinse efficiency, wash small loads of 2 to 3 lightly soiled garments, weighing less than 3 pounds or 1.36 kilograms. For the downloaded option, use a smartphone to download a specialized cycle to this cycle position. Thank you for choosing LG. We hope you enjoy your WashTower. For further assistance, you can easily find our contact information on the LG.com website. Go to the support menu to ask us more questions.